Right, so good morning. As you can see, we got the new project. Dominic was supposed to be here, but he was feeling sick, so I'm alone today. Today we should clean the engine. I want to install the fish pumps and we'll see. You can see it's not completely clear, so I'll try to clean it a little. Yesterday I was trying to clean the fenders. I feel like someone was using this car as a submarine or something, but it's clean now, and yeah, we got a lot of work to do. I like to clean the engine, as I said, but I ain't got the tripod, so I'll just show you now. It looks like we should be good for now, because it's winter, so I'm not going to try to be perfect. Our plans with this car are to get it into shape, obviously, but as you could see yesterday, these parts right here are not in the best shape, so we'll probably replace it, and we'll replace it with the GTI version. And yeah, we're gonna repair the interior. I'll show you. Such nice sound. So this panel will be replaced. This as well. Whole interior will be cleaned. And this is the first video about this car, so some specs I didn't talk about. It is not the GTI, but it will be. It is the Sportline version, 2 liter, 103 kilowatts, and it is lowered a little bit, I think 2 or 3 centimeters. And yeah, that's probably everything what's interesting about this car. Things are interesting anyway, like this window in the back doesn't work, so we have to find out what's wrong with it. And as well, yesterday I was trying to remove or replace the light bulb in the fog light, because it doesn't work, because when you start it, it's screaming at you that fog light doesn't work. So I tried to replace it, and guess what? I just put it out, put it back in, it worked. Yeah, so I put the whole light back into place, and then I started the car, and guess what? It doesn't work. So yeah, today I will probably do the same thing, and it will still not work. So I've done some things, but well, it's not so much space in here. We'll take a look at it probably in the next video. And to the future, if you get the same car or similar car and you're interested in anything, or you can help me with anything, just text me in the comments or anywhere, and we can take a look. And that should be all for today. The point of this video was to show you that we got a new project car, we can say, and we'll do videos about this, about other cars. And if you're interested in building cars with no money, give it a subscribe.